In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a file to SharePoint manually via the user interface, ensuring that your documents are organized and accessible whenever you need them. This method is particularly useful if you're working directly through a browser and aims to make the process as smooth as possible, allowing you to focus on collaborating effectively without any technical hassles. Let's begin by navigating to your SharePoint site. It's important to start here because this is where all your documents are stored and managed, and having direct access allows for seamless interaction with your files. Once you're at the site, move to the specific document library or folder where you intend to upload your file. Choosing the right destination within your SharePoint site is crucial for maintaining organization and ensuring that your files are easy to locate later on. After you've arrived at the desired location within your SharePoint, you'll see an option labeled New on the menu. Hover over or click on this option, which will further expand to show you Upload. From here, you can choose Files. This selection allows you to upload individual files from your computer. If you're uploading multiple files, or even an entire folder, there's also a folder option available, which streamlines the process if you have a set of documents that belong together. This flexibility makes SharePoint a convenient platform for varied file management needs. Once you've selected either Files or Folder, a window will prompt you to browse through your local computer. Here, locate the file or files that you want to upload. Take your time to select the right documents, as this ensures that the intended content is added to your SharePoint site. After making your selection, go ahead and click Open or Upload. This action will start the upload process, transferring your files from your computer directly into the SharePoint library. After your files are uploaded, they should immediately appear within the document library. This visual confirmation lets you know the upload was successful and that your files are now available for you and your team to access. At this point, you also have the option to set metadata or columns for your documents, depending on how your library is configured. This step is optional, but can be incredibly beneficial for categorization and quickly locating specific files through the metadata search functionality in SharePoint. In addition to these steps, there's another handy feature you can use: the drag and drop method. By simply dragging files from your File Explorer and dropping them into the library window in your browser, you can bypass some of the earlier steps, which might be even quicker and more intuitive for those who prefer a more hands-on approach. So there you have it, the easiest method to manually add a file to SharePoint using the user interface. This straightforward process is designed to minimize confusion and keep your workflows as efficient as possible. Happy uploading!